So, hi, I'm gonna show you how to upload an avatar in the easiest way possible. So let's go first with creating a new project. You select the 2022, uh, you name it, new avatar, you pick a location, and you create project. When it's done doing its things, you can go ahead and install the VRC Fury package if you click on the little plus here. If you don't have it, you can go on Google, type VRC Fury, go home, download, click on this thing, open on the Creative Companion. It will open it on directly on your Creative Companion. I won't do it because I already have it. But if you click on it, you just accept the things and it should appear when you're done with that. So you just add it, it will automatically add it here. And with just that, you should be good for 90% of the avatars. So you just go ahead and open a project. So when the project is open, the first thing you should do is go on the VHS SDK here and click Show Control Panel. You can slide it with grabbing the VHS SDK thingy here, and you can slide it somewhere. I personally put it here, and you just enter your login info here. When you're logged in, it should appear like that, and then you go on Builder. You have nothing yet because you don't have the package. So I'm just gonna use this avatar right here. You have two options to import it. You can or grab it on your folder and put it on the section project. For you, if you're new with Unity, it should be down here. You just grab it and put it there. Or you can just double click it. It will open it on the Unity project. But if you have multiple project open, I recommend using the first option, which is the sliding. When it's done, you now see a import Unity package thingy. You just click import. So when it's done importing, you need now to find two things. I mean, two different things. You, it can be a prefab or a scene. To make the difference with those two things, a prefab look like this. This is how a prefab look like. This or something like this. This is a prefab. It also said on top of your inspector that this thing is a prefab. And you have here a scene. It says scene here. So that's a scene. So you can nor if you have a scene, put in priority clicking on the scene because it has multiple asset and prefab on the scene. So you go ahead and double click on it. Now as you can see, I have two avatars here and here. It can be the Quest and PC version or multiple versions. You just select the one you want and you hide the rest. So let's say I want the T-pose one. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the one I don't want and hide it. So now I only have one model showed. I go back on VRChat SDK. Now you can see stuff here. This is the upload panel. You just go ahead and create a name. So I'm just gonna call avatar. You can add a description. The next section is content warning. You can select a warning, but if you do select a warning, people that are underage will not be able to see your avatar. Then you go here. You can select a thumbnail. So if you do, you can just go and click on the already made image or capture from scene. You can move here and just capture. So now you see now it took a picture of it. And then if you see that you can't build it, it's because you have an octagon red. If you do have octagon red, it's because something need to be fixed. And in most case, you can just click auto fix. So you just do click, and then there we go. Now you can build and publish. So when the upload succeed, you can dismiss the message. Now we need to go for the quest version because most avatar have a quest version. If your avatar doesn't, well, you have to make your own quest version, but I'm not gonna cover it with here. But if you do have a quest version, you can go ahead and click on the selected platform and click on Android. When it's done, you can go back on Builder, and now you will see a bunch of things that changed. Now you are on Android. Sometimes it does that, just leave it do its things. And now you have to just auto fix everything. So you just go auto fix, auto fix. Oh, also, yeah, I mean, you have to select the Quest version. For me, my avatar is already Quest compatible. I just uploaded for PC and Quest. But for you, if you say, for example, this one is the Quest version, you have to go back on your inspector, click on the model you have right now, hide it, and then go on the other one and show it. And then when you go back, you have to go grab on your first one the blueprint, which is on the component pipeline manager. You just select it, Control C, go on the Quest version and pass it on the other blueprint and attach. A blueprint is the name of your avatar in the database of VRChat. This is what the name of your avatar is. Make sure you don't get that thing stole because people can rip your avatar with just that information. So when that's done, I'm just gonna go back with my other one because it's already Quest compatible. But for you, you stay with the Quest version, and then you go here and auto fix everything that need to be fixed, and then you just do the same and build it. So now it's finishing the upload. And now my avatar is now PC and Quest compatible. It's that easy. You can go check your content on Content Manager. You'll see my avatar is right here. You can go on your web browser on the section avatar. You can see now your avatar is here. It says it's PC and Quest. You can change stuff here. And I strongly recommend you to generate an imposter. An imposter is like the fallback if people hide your avatar. They can see an automatic like generated version of your avatar. You just hit generate imposter. I'm not gonna do it because it's an example, but there we go. And with that, you're good with uploading. So there we go.